So if your stove, and it doesn't matter which stove, which manufacturer, has a light staying on like this, saying element on, but the elements are obviously not on, I'm going to show you how to diagnose that and fix it. Okay, so pull the stove out and let's unplug it from the wall, and we're going to take off this back panel. It's just 6 screws holding this part on. So if you look at the wiring here, these are the wires that run to that light. This is the light right here. So these purple wires connect to this switch and this switch right there. So if we unplug one of the purple wires from one of the switches and just tuck that behind, if we plug it in now and that light stays on, we know that this switch is going to be the bad one, because on this stove it's actually got a light per side. So if it's not this one, it's going to be this one, and we can show that. Okay, so I plugged it in with that purple wire taken off and it's still on. So we'll unplug it again, plug this purple wire back in, and disconnect it from the other side just to show you how it works. Okay, so reconnected that one purple wire, disconnected from the other side, and that light is not on. It is plugged in, so be very careful when you're doing this too. Always make sure that if you're going to touch something, that it's unplugged. So yeah, we know that it's that switch right there, so we'll change that out and we're done. When you're switching these, make sure that you're putting the right wire on the right outlet here. So we'll just do wire for wire. This switch is exactly the same as the old one. So yeah, we'll just disconnect. We already got the purple. We know that goes right in the very bottom there. And then right above that, we have an orange. We'll get that on there. There's a couple colors that are actually the same too, so we definitely don't want to disconnect them all and say that orange goes somewhere, because there's 2 of them. Alright, so we're plugged back in. Just set the clock. There we go. So you notice the light is off. It's all plugged in and everything. So we'll just make sure that the switches actually work. Turn on the light, heat up the elements, and that's it.